Hello everyone, welcome to my Smart Field Survey and Inspection application. My name is Chandela Kamlesh and I am currently studying in Swaminarayan University at Coding Gita. This is my website dashboard, and this page we are see the inspector's some details like name, his role and his batch like 2026. And this page we are see today's survey and total survey by inspector, and this page we are see the quick inspectors tools like image, survey details, GPS location and contact list. And bottom part we are see the total history of surveys, and this is a drawer of this application, and this drawer we are see total part of this application like new survey, survey history, camera capture, location like GPS, and contact number, clipboard and setting button. And the tab part showing the history, dashboard, new survey, profile and setting. So first we are see the drawer of this application. So the drawer first we are see the new survey. In new survey we are see the creating new survey with the help of complete details. Like first we are input site name, means any site name like Coding Gita, and client name is Kamlesh, and some description like okay, and priority like a low, and survey date is current date, today's date, and capturing the image of survey site. So we are capturing the image and use this image, and then GPS location. So we are refresh for finding current location. So it is give the current GPS location, so it is helpful for survey location. And it location is always see in map with default map and satellite mode, so it is easy to see location. And also refresh and copy to clipboard, so it is help to send any other person our location with latitude and longitude, and attach this, so it part is also correct. Site representation, it is stored the number of any other person, like currently we are giving number of ambulance, so it is click a site number, and it is take users mobile phone numbers, all saved phone numbers, and some details like okay. And then we see the complete details are completed, then preview survey report. So we are see the survey report with image, location in map in both like satellite mode and default mode, and contact default, and we are see any error in this part, so we are edit this like okay, and edit and survey, submitted survey, and then move to history part or dashboard. So this is our dashboard, and the new survey Coding Gita is also added in dashboard part. So now we are see the drawers other part, like we are see the new survey, then survey history. This page our all survey history are available, like our new survey history is this, and other surveys like all stored in this, and it is used to local storage of your mobile. And camera capture is directly used to capture your image, so it is used for directly store for your image. Contact details is directly for your local mobile storage, and all contacts are fetched in this page and used to attach any contact number. GPS is for your current location added, and clipboard, it is not used in application, but it is one feature of React Native, so we are use the clipboard. This is a copy, and then we are see this paste. So it is a one React Native feature, but it is not currently used in this application. Also used in location copy, because when we will send any other person our location, so we are use this clipboard part, like this is our location page and we are copied our location, this is copy, and then send any other person, like when we are see input part, and this is our location. So when we are send other person our location, so we are use this. Then we are see our profile page, it is store username, means inspector name, inspector email, and inspector id, inspector role like React Native mobile app development, and badge and other details of inspector. And then last we are see the setting part. Setting part is stored something details about inspector, and its total surveys and its current today's total survey. And this part we are remove total surveys and locations. So thank you for watching my video.